Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 5. Chapter name is exponent. So first question is, what is exponent? The power of any number is called exponent. Like I am taking an example, 5 to the power 4. So here 5 is base and 4 is called exponent or index, and this form of representation is called exponential form or also called power notation. Okay, 5 is base and 4 is exponent, and this form is called exponential form. Now I am taking example of exponential form like expression in power notation or exponential form. If we have any number and we want to convert them in exponential form, so how we can do? Like minus 2 upon 3 multi minus 2 upon 3 multi minus 2 upon 3. So how can we write those number in exponent form? So now count 1 2 3 1 2 3. That means there are 3 times 2 and 3 times 3. So we can directly write minus 2 upon 3 whole power 3. So this is called exponential form. Here minus 2 upon 3 is base and 3 is exponent or power or index. 3 is called exponent, index, or in journal we can say power, and this is base, and this form is called exponential form and power notation form. Next is 25 upon 36, and we want to convert it in exponential form. So firstly we will convert it in lowest form, or we can say in the factor form. Like we can write 25 5 into 5, and 36 we can write 6 into 6. So firstly convert in lowest form or in journal form. Now count how many times is 5 and how many times is 6. So there is 5 2 times and 6 also 2 times. So we can directly write 5 upon 6 whole power 2. That means 5 upon 6 whole power 2 is called exponential form. Here 5 upon 6 is base and 2 is called exponent, and this form is called exponential form. Next is minus 1 upon 343. So minus 1 we can write minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, and 343 we can write 7 into 7 into 7, because minus and minus plus and plus and minus again minus. So we can write minus into minus 3 times. Okay, and we already know 343 can be write 7 into 7 into 7. Now we can write it in this form, minus 1 upon 7 whole power 3, because 1 is 3 times and 7 is also 3 times. So this is exponential form. Minus 1 upon 7 is base and 3 is power or exponent. Next is exponential form to rational number. If any number is given in exponential form, so how can we convert it into rational number? First is minus 2 upon 3 whole power 3. In journal we can write minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, and this 3 can be write 3 into 3 into 3, because power is 3. So we can expand it in this form. Now solve it. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 8. Minus and minus plus, plus and minus minus, this will become minus 8, and 3 into 3 and 3 is equal to 27. So we can write in rational form minus 8 upon 27. Next is minus 4 upon 5 whole power 2. Here power is 2. So we can write minus 4 into minus 4, 5 into 5. Now solve it. Minus 4 and minus 4 is equal to 16. 5 and 5, 25. So rational form of this number is 16 upon 25. Next is minus 5 whole power, minus 5 to the power 5. That means we have to write minus 1 5 times. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Now we already know if there are odd number times minus, so the multiplication of those minus will always minus. So answer is minus 1. We can write minus 5 to the power 5 as minus 1. Next is 4 to the power minus 1. 4 to the power minus 1. So according to the law of the exponential, if any number is in the form a upon b whole power minus 1, if there is power of minus 1, so we can directly write it in form v upon a. This is also called reciprocal form. Okay, if there is any power minus 1. So question is 4 to the power minus 1. We can also write 4 in this form 4 upon 1, because we can write denominator 1. There will be no changes in numerator after writing 1 in the denominator. So this is 4 upon 1 to the power minus 1. Now according to the rule, we can write 1 upon 4. Next is 1 upon 3 whole power minus 1. Here again is power minus 1. So we can directly write by this rule 3 upon 1, and this minus will change. Okay. That means this is also called reciprocal form, and we can use this formula if power is given minus 1 to add any rational number. Again next is of the power minus 1, that means minus 2 upon 3 whole power minus 1. So we can directly write it 3 upon 2. Now some laws related to exponent form are given here. First form is for any rational number a upon b. That means if there is any number in form of a upon b, that means there is any rational number. So what are the rules for them? First rule is a upon b whole power m multi a upon b whole power n. That means if base are equal and those rational number are in multiplied form. So how can we write? We can write a upon b m plus n. That means if two numbers are in rational form and base are equal, so their power will be added, like m plus n. I am taking an example like 2 upon 3 to the power 2 into 2 upon 3 to the power 4. Here base 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 3 are equal, so we can write 2 upon 3 and their power will be added. So we can write 2 plus 4, that means 6. 2 upon 3 whole power 6. Next is a upon b to the power m and a upon b to the power n. That means if base are equal and those are given in divided form. So how can we write? We can write a upon b whole power m minus n. That means if base are equal and they are in divide form, so we can subtract their power like this. Example is 7 upon 2 whole power 4 upon 3 divided by 7 upon 2 whole power 4 upon 7. So here base is equal, so we can write 7 upon 2 to the power 4 upon 3 minus 4 upon 7. Now we can write 7 upon 2, LCM is 21 as we have solved earlier. So 3 7 ja, that means 4 will multiply with 7, minus is minus, 7 3 ja, so 4 3 ja 12. This will be 21 minus 12 upon 21, and this will become 7 upon 2 whole power 9 upon 2. Next is if there is any rational number a upon b to the power m and again a power n. That means if there are 2 or more than 2 power on any rational number. So what is the rule? Rule is a upon b and their powers will be multiplied. That means m into n. Like there is an example, minus 3 upon 2 to the power 2 to the whole power minus 3. So what will happen? Minus 2 upon 3 and their power will be multiplied. So we can write 2 into minus 3. So this will become minus 3 upon 2 to the power minus 3 to the 6. And we can also solve this because according to the rule we can solve it into positive. Okay, we will discuss it after some time. How can we change minus power into plus? Now we can write it in this form. Next rule is a upon b to the power 0. That means if there is any rational number and the power on that rational number is 0, so result always will be 1. Keep it in your mind. Always if any power of any rational number is 0, result always will be 1. Next rule is a upon b to the power n minus n. That means if there is any power in the form of negative, so this will directly change in positive by doing reciprocal of that rational number. Like a upon b directly change in b upon a, and this power will change into positive. Okay, like minus 3 upon 2 whole power minus 6, and we want to change it into positive form, so we can write 2 upon 3, and this power automatically will change in positive form. Next is also same in the place of n if there is minus 1. So a upon b, and we want to change it positive, so it will become b upon a. Like 5 upon 2 to the power minus 1, so this will become 2 upon 5. This negative will automatically change in positive. Now some examples related to this chapter. First is minus 2 upon 3 to the power 5 into minus 3 upon 7 to the power 3, and we want to change it and we want to solve it. If I am seeing here that base are not equal, so firstly we have to expand it. Minus 2 upon 3 can be write minus 2 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3, write down it 5 times, and 3 upon 7 write down in 3 times. Now if the numbers are cancelling with each other, so we can do this. This 3 will cancel with this 3, this 3 with this 3, and this 3 with this 3. Those 3 numbers will be cancelled with those 3 numbers. So this will become minus 1, minus 1 and minus 1. Now multiplied it, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 5 times. This will become 32. And how many times are negative? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are even number times of negative signs. So according to the rules we have already discussed, if there are positive, if there are even number of negative, that will become positive. So those minus will become positive. So this will be plus 32. And in denominator we will solve 3 3s are 9, and 7 into 7 into 7 343. So after multiplication this will become 3087. So answer is 32 divided by 3087. Next is 4 upon 9 to the power 6 into 4 to the power 9, 4 upon 9 to the power minus 4. Now here base are equal, 4 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. So according to the rule we can write it a upon b to the power m, a upon b to the power n. So according to the rules we can write a upon b to the power m plus n. That means if bases are equal, their powers will be added. So we can write 4 upon 9 to the power 6 plus minus 4. So this is 4 upon 9 to the power 6 plus and minus minus. So this will become minus, and this is 4 upon 9 to the power 2. We can also write 4 upon 9 is 4 4s are 16, 9 9s are 81. So we can write 16 upon 81. This is the final solution. Next is 5 to the power minus 1 minus 7 to the power minus 1 whole power minus 1. And according to the rule I am already discussed, if there is any power in the negative form, so while doing reciprocal we can change it into positive form. So we can write 5 1 upon 5. So this power will be positive. Minus is minus, and here is also 7 to the power minus 1. So to convert this negative into positive we can write 7 into 1 upon 7 form. So this is 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 7 whole power minus 1. Now firstly we will solve this bracket. So this is 7 after taking LCM 35, 5 7 ja 35 and 7 5 ja 35. So this will become 7 minus 5 upon 35. 7 minus 5 is 2. So this is 2 upon 35 whole power minus 1. Here power is minus 1. Now we want to change this power into positive. So we have to do reciprocal. So we can write it in 35 upon 2 form. So this is final answer of this question. Next is minus 3 upon 2 to the power 3 divided by minus 3 to the power 2 to the power 6. Here bases are equal and they are in the form of divide. So we have already discussed this rule. If the bases are equal and they are in dividing form, so we have to take their power in subtraction. That means minus 3 upon 2 to the power 3 minus 6, because here is division. So there is minus 3 upon 2 to the power minus 3. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Now if we want to change it into positive form, so we have to do it in reciprocal form. That means minus 3 upon 2 will change 2 upon 3 and this power will become positive. So minus 3 upon 2 is equal to minus 2 upon 3 to the power 3. Now we can also solve it. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 will become minus 8. 3 into 3 into 3 will become 27. So final answer is minus 8 upon 27. Next question is, by what number should minus 1 to the power minus b multiplied so that the product is 8 to the power minus 1? That means minus 5 to the power minus 1, by what number should be multiplied? So I am considering a variable x. That means minus 5 to the power minus 1 should be multiplied with x so that we can get product 8 to the power minus 1. Now change it into positive form. That means this minus will change into positive. So we can write minus 5 is in the form of 1 upon minus 5. X is x. Again here this 8 will become 1 upon 8 and this power will be positive. Now shift the value. That means minus 1 upon minus 5 will shift into right side. So x is x. 1 upon 8 is 1 upon 8 and this 1 upon 5 will become 5 upon 1 because we are shifting from left to right. So answer is 5 1 ja 5, 8 1 ja 8. So x is equal to minus 5 upon 8. That means 5 to the power minus 1 should be multiplied with 5 upon 8 to get answer 8 to the power minus 1. Next is find the value of x. If there is an equation and x is missing, so we have to find the value of x, this x. Question is 3 upon 5 to the power 3 into 3 upon 5 to the power minus 6 is equal to 3 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power 2x minus 1. In left side we will follow the rule a upon b into a upon b. So this will become a upon b and their power will be added. So 3 plus minus 6, bases are equal and they are in multiplication form, so their powers will be added. So this will become 3 upon 5, 3 plus and minus minus. So 3 minus 6 and this is already will be same. So this will become in finally 3 upon 5 to the power minus 3 and here 3 upon 5 to the power 2x minus 1. In left side and right side, if bases are equal, so their powers will also be equal by doing comparison. So minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. Minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. So this is already minus 3 and this 1 will shift from right to left. So this minus 1 will become plus 1 is equal to 2x. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. And here is already 2x, this 2 will cancel with this 2, so there will be remaining minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. That means value of x is minus 1.